think.
It moves now.
Back on its own, no more pushing. Well, I said no more pushing it, then you go right to pushing it. It's exciting, dude.
Tell me something. Only thing I know is we got this thing going now. But no, first of all, let me show you the lights.
That's pretty cool,
then,
man.
Yeah, Holley, EFI, yeah, everybody was going like, Oh, you know what else I saw too? The voltage when it's running is not steady. It goes up and down, up and down, up and down. That's one thing. Right? Right. Clear? Clear. Yeah?
Yeah.